So the Fed has just raised interest rates again. So now it's up to 5.25, or between 5.25 and 5.5. This is something that has really puzzled me for a while, because it always takes 3 to 12 months for an interest increase to really flow through the economy. And inflation has been going down for 12 months straight. So why are the Fed actually doing that? I think it's one of those where they kind of want to be overcautious. They want to wag their fingers a little bit of the players in the economy and really show that they are firm in getting back to the 2% per year inflation target. Now, that's really an interesting statement to make, because for over 20 years, the Fed has basically been pretty lax about it and saying, yeah, 2% is our goal, but we'll accept it to be less and sometimes more, even up to 3.5%. So, but all of a sudden, they're really hell-bent on hitting the 2%. It's kind of like you starting to take piano lessons. You hire a world-renowned pianist to teach you, and everything goes well. You're improving, and a year later, the teacher basically slams on the lid on the piano and said, unless you're playing perfect, I don't want you to play the piano anymore. That's not really how it works. I think time will need to work it out. I do think that we will get a soft landing, but more importantly, it is a testing time for the economy. Over the last 20 or 30 years, it's kind of been like a participation sport in a sense that as long as you invested in the market, you'd be doing pretty good, particularly the S&P 500. If you invested in that, you were golden. Now that has kind of changed a little bit, where you have to really choose the sectors and the stock selection a lot more. So instead of just saying, I'm just going to put my money into an S&P 500, the participation, it kind of sounds like children's sports, where as long as you participated, you got a trophy. And that's what the stock market has really been the last 20 or 30 years. But now it's really, you need to actually start trying to pick some winners. Look at the sectors, look at the stocks within those sectors and pick those. And if it's something that you want to discuss more, please reach out to us here at frontierwealthstrategies.com, because we have a phenomenal team of certified financial planners and CFAs that can assist you in selecting the right investment portfolio for you. We look forward to talking to you. All the best.